Hi there, Anya. It's Laura Dahlman, and I am here to show you my sandbox course and what I've set up. So you can see that I have, let's see, I can use the pointer. And so that I have set up, I've made an organization section, I've made the weekly modules, and then I've made the assignments and assessments and have tried to break it down that way. When you go into weekly modules, this is where I've done kind of the work that's required for this week. And you see week 1 is my first module, and that I've chosen to do it chronologically, although I think that I'll also put content in other places as well, so that if somebody's searching for a particular content, something, they don't actually have to remember what week it is, especially if you're doing 14 weeks and if your class meets twice a week. That's going to be a lot of time to have to sort through to figure out, what is it that I was looking for? Anyway, so week 1, here we go. You can see here's my item that I put in. I would put in the syllabus, and I took a syllabus from last spring that I attached. Let's see, open it, make sure it's there. Okay, it is. Now I'll close that out. And then here's my learning module, Learning Together Online. And so what I have put in, you can see the table of contents as you said we would have. I put in a video about online netiquette. It's very corny. I don't know that I would actually choose this, but time is quite an issue for me this week. And so I have chosen this corny one. Actually, it gave me a little bit of a laugh, just to save time. So here it is. Play this a little bit so you get, I don't know if you need to, but you can see that I've got it.
Hello, and welcome to the Virtual College at Miami-Dade College. This presentation is an
I
overview
should have
of the
put closed
do's and don'ts
captioning.
of internet etiquette, or netiquette. In general,
Oh, there
your
we did. I
behavior
did
in
it.
the online
Okay.
classroom should be similar to your behavior in face-to-face classroom.
Okay, so that's
Virtual
enough of
College
that.
at
You get the
Miami-Dade.
idea. And then this would be my document. What was the second thing we were supposed to put in? So I would I just typed up that I would insert my brochure here, so I just uploaded this document, which is all it is. It says is here I would insert our brochure. The hyperlink, I have made a hyperlink to, I think it was the tutorial that told us how to make hyperlinks. So here you go, and it's coming on. I can turn the closed captioning back on.
Blackboard.
Anyway,
let's say I
there you
wanna
go.
link-
Close that and head back to the course. And then my image, I'll hopefully be teaching a couple of courses this fall, but one of them will be human growth and development. And so I have taken an image of human growth and development. I honestly, I did expect to see the citation show up here when I gave it a title. So that is something I am going to have to figure out. Anyway, there's my homework for the week. I must say it's been a great pleasure. You have been a terrific confidence booster. And for me in Ed Psych and studying that is the most important part of learning that professors and teachers can give to their students, is building that confidence. The content can come. The content you can find anywhere, but you have to believe that you can do it. So thank you very much, Anya, for giving me some confidence. And I wish you the best and hope things go well. Take care. Bye-bye.